Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check this out, 2026 Brinkley, and we have tandem doors on the campsite, and it's a 294. Here you can see the power shut off, and you have solar as well as a battery or landline. As far as the outdoor kitchen, we just have this refrigerator. Let me go ahead and open it up. It's rather small, but just to keep some cold drinks. Tandem axle. We'll step inside. I do want to show you a little bit of the outside. There's the 294 badging, the model badging. As far as outdoor storage or outside storage, let me see if I can, well, that's fastened. I'll show you from the other side, but we have this rear storage, which is perfect for luggage, tools, whatnot. And then you have this smaller area. You can put your tools, gloves. Very, very nice. Wait till you see the inside. Brinkley, just as I say on every Brinkley I shoot, they just have hit it out of the park, and 2026 is no different. So we have a bunkhouse right when we walk in, and this is rather cool if you haven't seen it before. Just additional storage. You see some more RVs where they have drawers here, and we have a bank of 3 drawers. We have this cabinet with hang-up clothes. Let me hit the light, and LED lighting. So 2 bunks, and let me back up. So this couch folds out. We have theater seating here with LED lighting above, center console cup holders, sitting in front of fireplace, nice workstation, and then we have an area for a flat screen and then a TV projector. So really, really cool. I'd be remiss if I didn't show you the power and the stereo, as well as your slide controls. As far as the kitchen, really, really nice 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven, farmer sink. I do love the way they use their corner cabinets, so there's no wasted space. You don't have to worry about a lazy Susan and something falling off in the back, and you chase it for 3 years and then trade it in and you're done with it. Again, paper towel holder, trash bags, trash can. Really, really a nice setup. French doors on the refrigerator, freezer below. Check out the amount of cabinet space here. Nice drawer. Then we have an additional drawer and then lower storage. And then we walk into the bathroom. So we have a mirror that, let me show you the lighting in here. So there is the accent lighting in the shower. Then we have the behind mirror, corner sink and faucet, commode. Very, very nice shower. I do like this up high. You can set your toiletries, whatever. I don't wear glasses, but if you had to wear glasses, you could set them up there, and then when you get out of the shower, you can see. I absolutely love, L-O-V-E, love the underbed storage on Brinkley. So we have the pass-through storage right there. Then we have this drop down, so they take advantage of that space under the RV for your dining chairs, your comforter pillows. You have additional storage here. Just really, really a nice setup. And then you can have your hang-up clothes or whatever hang-ups you have. I'm not even going to try to close that one-handed. It is, these shocks are very strong, so you don't have to worry about them going out on you. But to operate it with one hand and hold a camera, not going to happen. You can set up a flat screen TV, but why? Then you also have your second door from the outside. So again, a 2026 Brinkley 294, and this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.